happening there on the content side. Another thing to be aware of, if you haven't seen this, it's been all over the news, obviously, talking about Windows 10 coming to end of support. It's hard to believe it's been 10 years already from when it was released back in July of 2015. The last update for Windows 10 will be coming out on October 14th. That's obviously Patch Tuesday in October. They are going to continue supporting version 22H2 through what they're calling extended security updates. I think a lot of you are familiar with those. We've been through this several times now. We saw, Windows 7 and Server 2008. We saw Server 2012, which is still currently under extended security update support. And now they're going to do Windows 10. And the reason they're doing Windows 10, it's kind of a surprise. We thought they would be pushing everybody really hard to Windows 11, but the problem is that Windows 11 has a lot of hardware requirements, additional hardware requirements from a security processing standpoint. So a lot of us, unfortunately, are still running Windows 10, and we need to support that. Just an update here, last slide from me on what is the ESU. Well, it's an annual subscription from Microsoft. They continue the security updates. They have said right now they're going to support them for another 3 years. You can get anywhere from a 1 to 3 year subscription. So that pushes us out to October of 2028. You will need to install a key on your endpoints that will unlock these ESUs. The updates themselves are still publicly available, but you need this key to be able to install them. Otherwise, you'll try to install them and they'll roll back. Ivanti is going to add ESU support as well. We will have an add-on license available for your current Ivanti subscription, similar to what we're doing for Server 2012. So this isn't a lot different than that if you're using that already. And we're going to support 3 of our patch products. Neurons for patch management, Endpoint Manager, and security controls will all be providing or support these extended security updates with the proper licensing. So just want to give you a heads up ahead of that if you're, or early on here yet. This isn't going to kick in until November, Patch Tuesday. We should see the first ESU updates for Windows 10, but it's not too early to start planning for that.